Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Nagajingja sha Pynjulor ko ok homestay ka bran harisa colony hai ki break ula wan sakai nakaliang uba Vivek CMSP ka East Khasi Hills District ula pinte bakiliyo aban kem ye Hynriew Ngut ki break bran kti hakte ka kam haba pinte bikinish kila pathai khu bor ha khatwei trek unai tung ahja ar Hynriew uba Vivek CM ula ong bagi try ka ka homestay kila ujwar ki ijahar ha khatwei trek unai tung ahja ar Hynriew ba ar Ngut ki brew kila berngam Pynjulor ka jakasa Bakila mi iklan siyo ka bailot ksan. Ulapin tip bagi Pulit kila ikran bagi Pulit na Assam, badai ha kapwa saw pusan baji janmet balalap ikini ki Briew, kibla tip kerteng ho Vikas Singh, Avinash Singh, Akan Pratap Singh, balai ngut pat kibrang ha bapo ka khat prasnam karta. Nalo ka tao lo angru, bayay kini ki Briew lapin ngat apo ka kindon BNS, bakin top ikikindon 351 in bracket 3, 324 in bracket 3, but 3 in bracket 5 jangka PNS Act.
With regard to the incident which happened in the homestay in Lisa Colony by the name of Oakwood, we had received a complaint on the 11th that about two people had threatened and vandalized the guest house, and they had left without making compensation for the same. A case was registered immediately, and a team was sent the very next day, that was yesterday, to trace these people. We had been in touch with the counterparts from Assam, SP Kokajar and SP Alipurdwar, and in Sabtala yesterday at about 4 to 5, between 4 to 5, we had intercepted these people by the name of Vikas Singh, Avinash Singh, Akan Pratap Singh, and 3 other minors, about 17 years old. After the interception by Alipurdwar police in Sabtala PS area, our team from here had gone there to Alipurdwar and had arrested them and produced them in the court of the CJM in Alipurdwar. However, as the offences are below 7 years, they have received bail. The minors also have been produced before the Juvenile Justice Board. Though they have received bail, arrest has been made. Investigation will carry on to ensure that we charge sheet them at the earliest.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya